I'm going to cover this very lightly, the idea of protected members. Sometimes you want to have a field, usually a field, sometimes methods too, in a superclass that can be accessed from subclasses. I'm very loose in my definitions here. We don't want to get into all the intricacies of Java here. That is not our goal. Our goal is to use this idea in a understandable way, not split hairs. So I'm not going to cover all the intricacies of these protected fields and methods. You can declare a variable of type double called area in a closed figure class. And I put pound here to mean that it is protected. That is actually a UML symbol. We will cover this in the third lecture. If you make something protected, see, you can make things public, you can make things private, but another alternative is to make it protected. If you make something protected, then it is accessible from the subclasses. Once again, this is loose talk. There are intricacies associated with that whole thing. So polygon and closed curve are closed figures. So these are closed things. Like a figure can be a line, or just two lines without a third one to complete to get an area. So a closed curve or a polygon are closed figures. So these are subclasses of closed figure. So they both have areas, and you can have the area declared in the superclass so that these two don't have to, closed curve and polygon don't have to carry that burden. But if you make this attribute private, then you can't access that attribute from either closed curve or polygon. So we call it protected. So we would write protected double area. Instead of private double area, you say protected double area. Then it is accessible from both subclasses. And that is, loosely speaking, accessible from the descendants of closed figure. So it would be like this: public class closed figure extends figure, protected double area, and then you can have polygon extending closed figure, and this area is inherited. So you can write area equals compute area, right? You can have you can compute the area if you wanted in this field. You can access this in this method. You can access this field and store stuff in here as we did over here. So this returns the area of the figure, and it is stored in area. So you can access that. So it is very convenient.